Do you feel like your past experiences are dictating your future? And despite all your good intentions, efforts, and hard work, you still find yourself on the same hamster wheel, dealing with the same issues, in the same reactive ways as before, despite promising yourself that would never, ever happen again? Are you looking for a way to reclaim your life and find true empowerment? It's time for a change. It's time to switch your trauma into triumph. Look, I've walked a path similar to yours and had to make the same choices over and over while I was wondering what I was supposed to do differently to make real, lasting change that would stick. I understand the deep impact trauma has on your life, not just emotionally, but in the very wiring of your brain. I've seen firsthand how unresolved trauma clouded my vision of myself and altered the course of my life. But I've also witnessed the incredible transformation that's possible. And through my unique coaching approach, the Petschek Method, I've helped countless women step out of the shadows of their past and into a life of empowerment and fulfillment. The point? Trust me when I tell you that there's a way forward. If you are a woman who has survived domestic violence or sexual assault, and you are tired of feeling controlled by your past experiences, you are unable to see a future beyond your trauma, you are looking for a way to rebuild your life with confidence and clarity, the Petschek Method will change your life. It's not just talk therapy or unfounded methods. It is the tried and tested path that systematically delivers tangible, measurable changes. Throughout the process of the Petschek Method, your neural pathways transform, paving new connections that allow you to live the freedom, the peace, the success, and the liberation that you want and deserve. The patterns of self-sabotaging cycles of thoughts and behaviors dissolve organically, leaving your neurons free to transform organically, not into someone that you're not, but into the person you need and you want to be, to experience life on your terms, with your long dreamt of hopes being finally realized. You already are that person, by the way. You simply need to unleash it. My method is not a Band-Aid method. It is a deep-rooted transformation process. Your beliefs, thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and actions all sprout one from the other. They will recreate the patterns of the past unless we change them with the 3 pillars of the Petschek process, allowing you to reprogram your habitual mind to create the future that you dream of. To use the analogy of a caterpillar's transformation, you will be cocooned in the chrysalis of the 3-month program, which is the time needed to allow your new neural pathways to take root. And when you're done, you will fly like a monarch butterfly. I'm offering you a structured, scientifically proven method to change the way your brain works forever. Dissolve the trauma responses of anxiety, fear, depression, people-pleasing, victimhood, powerlessness, isolation, and allow your brain to grow the necessary neuronal pathways to no longer be held back by your past, but instead to shape your future vision of your ideal self. To be recognized not as a victim, but as a survivor, not even that, a thriver. Unleash your potential. It is so much more than what you currently see or even believe that you have, and then enjoy living the life that you deserve. Are you curious to learn more? Book a call with me. I'll answer all your questions, and you can decide then if this program is for you, if this program delivers the results that you're looking for. Bye.